me, man, we're missing some stuff because everything's dying. All my shit's dying. I can't keep up with it. We missed bitching bolts of lightning, a storm coming right at us. I mean, we were surrounded. What the fuck? And my shit's all dead. Because there's that one we were following. There's a new one. This son of a bitch came right on top of me and was pounding lightning. I mean, big bolts of lightning. Shit going everywhere. Point the camera. Everything came on me so fast I didn't know what the hell was going on. Look at that one was gone. Now we got this